In a triangle, angles 1, 2, and 3 are called interior angles because they are located inside the triangle. If we're going to extend one of the sides of the triangle, it creates an angle here outside. Let us name this as 4. So this angle 4 will be called an exterior angle of this triangle. And these two interior angles 2 and 3, which is located away from the exterior angle 4, are called the remote interior angles. Angle 4 is always greater than the measure of angle 2 and the measure of angle 3. And that is the idea behind the exterior angle inequality theorem. In exterior angle theorem, the exterior angle of a triangle, we are referring to angle 4, that is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So if we're going to add angle 2 and angle 3, it makes angle 4. So we can form an equation angle 4 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So let us apply this theorem. So let's say the two remote angles are 80 degrees and 40 degrees. Find x. So using this equation taken from the theorem, we will just substitute angle 4 represented by x. Angle 2 is 80. Angle 3 is 40 degrees. Then solve the equation. This will be our working equation. So 80 plus 40 is 120. Therefore, the value of or the measure of angle x is 120 degrees. Another given. Let's say one of the interior angle is missing, the exterior angle is given, and one of the interior or remote interior angles. So using the same equation, then substitute. Angle 4 is 145 degrees. Angle 2 is represented by y. Angle 3 is 64 degrees. So to isolate y, add negative 64 degrees to both sides. Y is left. 145 degrees minus 64 degrees is 81 degrees. Therefore, angle y measures 81 degrees. For our last example, let's say the exterior angle is n plus 110 degrees. Then the two remote interior angles are 80 degrees and 2n degrees. Find n. So using this equation, so we'll just simply substitute. Angle 4 is n plus 110. Angle 2 is 80. Then angle 3 is 2n. Then simplify, add negative n or add negative n to both sides so that n is eliminated. 110 is left here on the other side. 2n plus negative n or 2n minus 1n, that is n. Then write down 80. Then add negative 80 to both sides to finally isolate n. So n is left, 180 or 110 minus 80 is 30. Therefore, the value of n is 30.